Trade recap. Let's do it. So, coming into session yesterday, we had no news. Wow, that was an accident. No news, nothing like that. Coming into session, we were overall bearish on the trend. We'd been coming bearish. We'd smacked through some lows, reacted, and then come bearish. We'd just been filling legs of imbalance as we went lower, which was perfect. We had previous New York lows down here, which was a perfect target for us, and it's what we took our shorts to. As we came into session, we got bullish move, filled out imbalance. We got bearish move, and in this move, we had already swept some little lows here on NASDAQ, but we hadn't taken the previous New York lows. And then finally, when ES came down and did take them here on this candle, then we had our reaction filled in more imbalance. Then finally, we got our final reaction, bearish and through, to actually get down to New York lows. Sorry. So, yeah. So ES took some little lows. Will it load? Oh my god. Well, ES took some little lows, bounced up from that. Then we got, and then it was a battle between if we were going to long from that sweep or we're going to short down to the New York lows, the previous ones, which were a much bigger, prominent piece of liquidity, as you can see, very prominent piece. And so it ended up being a short. Reaction, filled imbalance here, retap, filled more imbalance. Finally got the bearish move, pushed through this bottom imbalance here. Potentially had the entry here, but there just wasn't a 30-second. There was a 1 minute, but breaking below was better. And on ES, actually, there was a perfect 30-second. It was so nice. Wait. Yeah, perfect. So I was super keen to get in at ASAP as soon as this one hit. Because this shows we have the reaction bullish from this one, which is a retap. So if we wanted to be bullish, it would have been done from this point here. But it comes bullish from there, respects this bearish, and this second candle is perfect short. Perfect. As you can see. Like, even stops just here. But I would have wanted to watch for the retap, so it would have been down there. Then 1-to-1 is just right there. Okay. Stop that. Promise you I'll change your mind. So then finally, we get 30-second tap in here. Respect the close below. Got in that. Stops were actually high. Probably could have had them here. Just had them here. And then we had a re-entry here. So I got in an extra re-entry here. So I got in an extra contract. Oh my god, I'm retarded. And then full TPs were perfect because it's when ES hit the New York lows. And obviously that's where it turned from. Hit, and then it swept out. So, yeah. That's that.